Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am the pilot. I'm the pilot of that inverted hovering helicopter. My radio is right here. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, alishanmao here, and welcome to my little man cave and more. Yes, helicopter videos, RC helicopter videos. Today in this video, the long awaited H1 GPS helicopter, that is FlyWing FW450 V2. It's right there. It is right here. It has got Omni GPS, 3D fly, auto inversion, and all those features that I have shown you before in FW450 videos, plus more and new upgrades that make your life even easier. So let's open the box. Let's see how it comes inside the box. I will assemble it, then we'll take a closer look at all the components and talk about what's new in this helicopter. And after that, yes, this is another bonus content coming your way in my videos, and that is people were asking a whole lot before when the FW450 was released that, hey, how do you set up a PNP version with Radio Master TX16S or any other radio control? So yes, I listened to you people. Thank you very much for your feedback. I have got the V2 FW450 PNP version without any radio control. And lucky me, I have my Radio Master TX16S Max Edition just arrived. You must have watched the video review of that. So I'm gonna set the FW450 V2 PNP version with my Radio Master TX16S, and I'll post a complete video tutorial how to set up Radio Master TX16S with your PNP version of FW450 V2 helicopter. Fly it and enjoy. So that will come in later videos. For this video, let's get to work. Alright, here is the FlyWing FW450. Let's take it outside the box and see what's inside the box. Honestly, I haven't opened the box since it arrived. I was waiting for my Radio Master TX16S Max Edition. Now before we open the box, once again, Omni GPS, 3D fly, auto inversion. It has the GPS features. Also look at this omnidirectional GPS based localization technology, full range of position rescue, automatic inversion, one key or low power return to home and land, intelligent recognition, 3S or 4S LiPo battery. Nice. There are some upgrades this means. Check this out. This is how it comes packed in the box. This is the PNP version that I have received. There's a user manual, FW450L helicopter, smart heli, okay. And yeah, hold on, let me just leave it so I can use both of my hands. Ooh, look at that. This is a 4450 milliamp 4S battery. So this is a high voltage 4S 4450 mAh battery that came with the helicopter. Normally, I'm not sure if it will come with yours or not, but mine came with it because I requested for a battery. Then we have 3D blades and the tail motor with 2-blade propeller this time. Before I had a 3-blade propeller, now I have only 2-blade propeller, and an MR30 connector installed right here. That is a 3-pin connector. Then we have this tail, which is very interesting because this is an upgraded feature. Focus on this one. I will demonstrate very soon. GPS looks different on this tail, and here's an up close view of the tail. Before, in the older version, you had to insert this long cable and take it all the way through the boom. That was kind of headache, but now here it is already out. Very easy to install the motor. And this side, look at that, the connectors are already installed. Why? You know why, because now this is removable tail. So once your motor is installed, all you need to do is, you know, fix it on the main fuselage easily. Okay, so here comes the main fuselage. Let me see, anything else? Nothing else inside. So this is the main fuselage right here. Okay, let me just take this off the canopy and remove this thing. Okay, wow, look at that. I simply love the white color. It will be very difficult to see in the skies, foggy, cloudy skies, but having to have a white canopy, you have freedom to paint it the way you want, right? So you can put the stickers on it, you can paint it, spray paint it. And yes, if you have access to a spray paint artist, or you're a spray paint artist all by yourself, you can spray paint this canopy the way you want, the color of your own choice, and make it look amazing. Now this is your main rotor head. Looks improved CNC components to me compared to the previous one. The design of these components is different as well. Okay, then you have your H1 autopilot, H1 Lite autopilot installed right on the back side, just like before. And normally it's configured for the RTF, but for PNP not, so I will have to configure it, and you can watch it completely. Down here I see the metal main gear as well, and the belt is kind of slightly loose on it, which of course I can adjust it later before the flight. On front, you will see a big improvement right here. Check this out. We have a 60 amp ESC in a complete metal, CNC metal enclosure. Regarding the motor, I do not know if they have upgraded the motor or not. I still have to get the information. Previously, my only issue after a couple of flights was the motor started getting heating up when I used it with 4S battery, but wasn't the case with 3S battery. So this one we'll see, because it came with the 4S battery. We'll find out very soon if things are heating up or not. Now connecting your receiver to autopilot is easy. One cable, S-bus connection, and the GPS connects right here, and USB-C, which you can use to connect it to your computer, the H1 Lite autopilot, and configure all the parameters. Now let's check out the new feature, which is how easy it is to add the tail. In there, if you can see, there's another 3-pin connector, which should get seated easily with this one. Now you can see here, there's a handle which can loosen and tighten a screw to open this component here where the tail will go in. So let's see how easy it is to put it in and out. One moment. Just like this. Okay, and I just need to seat those 3 connectors. That's it, it's done. And now that's all. I can tighten it. It is not gonna come out. It's really difficult to pull. And now you can connect your GPS right here, very easy. And when you want to transport your helicopter and you really do not have this much space, well, you can always toss it in the back seat of your car. But imagine if you're on a motorcycle, you know, and your saddlebags don't have, or backpack don't have this space. It is absolutely simple now. Just loosen this one. Make sure to pull the GPS cable out with the lock on it. There's a lock on it. If you just pull the tail, you will break the cable. So make sure to first disconnect the GPS cable, and after that, it's just that easy to remove the tail. How cool is it? How easy the life is now. Make sure the connector on the tail goes in right, and you don't have to worry about it because this connector will fit only one way. Right, here's my tool. I have to open this one. It was very tight, kind of like Loctite on this. Man. Okay, and the second one. I believe these are the only 2 components that comes with it, and all you need to do is push everything in with the motor here. Align these things. Just push everything in right here and put the screws in, and make sure it is pointing downward while the GPS is to the top. Okay, so 1, do not tighten it. And 2, and now you can tighten them very easy because you have done it right. That's it. Your tail is ready with the tail motor on it, and now all you need to do is insert it in seat those connectors properly and tighten this. Now do not over tighten it. Of course, enough, a little bit is enough, and that's it. And after that, your GPS goes right there. There you go. One click and GPS is connected. I just need to add my, an SFHSS S-Bus receiver or a Free Sky receiver, S-Bus receiver. I have plenty of choices, I believe now. I have got 3 of the Radio Master D16 PWM S-Bus choices right here. I have R86C, kind of big. Nah, I will not go. R168 also says 8-channel PWM and S-Bus, kind of big. I'll not go with it. Yeah, this one, check this out, baby. R161 D16 S-Bus receiver, because I just need one cable to plug in the H1 Lite GPS autopilot. That's that. There you go. I mean, look at this beauty. Mashallah, this is very, very beautiful looking, and I simply love the way they have improved the tail installation. Easily removable. Installing the motor on the tail was very, very simple and easy. And now having to have this PNP version, I can set it up with my Radio Master TX16S Max Edition and show you a complete tutorial, a complete setup video on my radio programming. This is OpenTX multi-protocol radio. I'll show you my complete radio programming and my programming on H1 Lite GPS autopilot. And after that, I just can't wait to bring this baby out and test it and fly it. And this time, I really, really want to test this one in complete 3D mode. So stay tuned for next video. That is a video tutorial on how to set up FW450 with Radio Master TX16S OpenTX radio control and flight videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little ding 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 bell icon so you'll stay updated for all the upcoming uploads. I am the pilot. I'm the pilot of that inverted hovering helicopter. My radio is right here. Radio is down here. Helicopter is flying all by itself. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.